Boys in ancient China often started learning martial arts at a young age. This training not only developed physical strength, but also instilled agility, balance, and precision in combat. Popular forms of martial arts like Kung Fu, Wushu, were central to their development. Warriors in ancient China also studied military tactics and strategies, learning from texts like Sun Tzu's The Art of War. Understanding the principles of warfare, such as deception, positioning, and timing, was considered just as important as physical prowess. Mental fortitude was key. Ancient Chinese philosophy, particularly Confucianism and Taoism, influenced the way warriors approached life, war, and personal duty. They were taught to remain calm under pressure and to maintain focus in the heat of battle. Alongside martial arts, young warriors trained extensively with various weapons, such as swords, spears, and bows. The skill with a weapon was seen as a natural extension of a warrior's martial arts ability.
This combination of physical training, mental discipline, and strategic understanding created a holistic approach to becoming a warrior.